Hey guys, it's Steve doing the video for Junior. This is a two-winner. First and seventh place will each get one of the Gerber compact multiplier. Like, I guess it's kind of like a Leatherman, but I believe Gerber's a pretty good brand. So first place and seventh place will each get one. Here's the list. Let's go on here. I'm going to copy the list. Type live. 539. Paste the list. Let me see something real quick. Okay. Anyway, that's the list there. 2 dice, no snake eyes. Gone 5 times. It is 540. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. 4th time Eddie in first, Chris in 7th. Dice roll was a 5. It's 540. First and 7th place. Good luck. First place Ross and 7th place is Ross. Wow, Ross wins them both. Congratulations, Ross. He was in first place and in 7th place. Went 5 times, 5 on the dice. Ross on top and in 7th, so he will win both of them. 541. Ross, send your info to a Junior and type done. And it is 541. Thanks.